Hi, my name is Mindaugas. I'm with Satas Computer Services. Today I have a Dell Studio laptop that was shipped by my customer to me by mail, and it has the problem that I showed you on my previous videos. The power button to turn on computer just has broken connection, broken wires, and this problem, even if I fix it, it's gonna repeat again. So it's not a good decision to put the power button on the movable parts. Every time you open computer, the wires are moving, and sooner or later it's gonna break again. So I'm gonna relocate that button in here, and the customer will not have such a problem ever again. This is the power button, and I'm gonna connect to these wires. Okay, so I placed power button here. I'm gonna glue it with additional glue to make sure that it's not gonna come out, and let's check if it works still. The computer starts up. You see the screen. Let's turn it off. What I did, I took the birthday candle holder, and I just cut it here, and I made from it the power button. Since this computer is a girl's computer, I just chose to make it pink. It kind of has, you know, the same colors as here, so I thought it would be pretty. Okay. Focus, focus, focus. Let's check how it works now. The button is right over the switch, so let's push it and make sure that everything works. I'm just slightly pushing it, and you see there's a light, and shortly you see the screen computer starts up. Let's turn it off and assemble all the computer together. Okay, let's do the final test. Here we go. It works. So I soldered the 3 tiny wires to the switch that were broken, and you couldn't start the computer. I soldered those and the computer starts. I made a new custom power button and relocated switch to the new location, so it not on the movable parts, and now it's not gonna have the same problem again as it had before, to have switch in the original location. So computer fixed, it's ready to ship to the customer. Again, my name is Mindaugas, I'm with Satas Computer Services. Thanks for watching and see you next time.